Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show dimension, parameter, length, width, height in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in product page. Now we are in additional information tab and then you see dimension 12 into 11 into 10. So we are going to show dimension parameter. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. Then you see WP code insert header and footer plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see dimension, parameter, height, width, length we are going to show. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to product page. Now you see dimension. Now refresh the page. Now you see height 10 cm into width 11 cm into length 12 cm. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.